Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review mini course generator, and I'm pretty curious about this one, if it will live up to the promise to create you the courses, mini courses in minutes using AI. It has pretty good amount of positive reviews, and it has other features that a course builder should provide. It has drag and drop interface. You can share your courses. You can make your courses public, paid, invitation only. Let's take a look at the plans. So the plans limit you on the number of courses and collections and by the number of AI credits for generating courses. And we can see other special features, special completions, scores, and pages. You can use your own custom domain, which is great. And there are few other features. Some of those are available on a higher tier plans, like multiple. We can see that widgets, AI interaction builder, branded no reply emails available are on multiple plans. Okay, let's go to the mini course generator. And if we take a look at the tool, we can see that we can build landing pages, we can track our learners, we can get certificates, enable monetization through Stripe, LemonSqueezy, and Pabbly. You can embed these courses. Not sure how it works. Maybe you can embed that into some applications. But let's go and create a mini course. So you can create that in 3 different styles. Creating it from scratch. You can upload your own resources, which is not available on a trial plan. So we'll go with this option, Guide AI with my descriptions. And what kind of course I would like to build? I would like to build a course, a mini course on the topic of vibe coding. It is a style of software development where you describe what you want to build in natural language, and then a powered tool will generate the code for you. So you don't have to be a developer actually to code. You can use different tools, different techniques to build applications and websites. So nowadays it's possible. So I would like to build a mini course, introductory course to vibe coding. So this will be my prompt. I would like to get introduction, what is vibe coding, most popular tools, example how to build a web-based Tetris game. And this is where I would like to test the limits of mini course generator, because here I would like to get some information from the internet. And this is a specific framework or tool for vibe coding. And the audience will be entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and people who work in tech, but who are not programmers. And there are different kind of tools like Cursor. This is AI powered editor, which might be used for vibe coding. There is another option called Windsurf. There are tools like Google Juice Coding Agent, and this particular framework Taskmaster will be helping to divide the tasks for AI during vibe coding. And of course, I would expect to get information about most popular models like Claude, Opus, and Sonnet. Well, actually, I need to mention that. So I would also like to get this information, Anthropic's latest models, which are best suited for vibe coding. And I think that will be the latest ones like Claude Opus 4 or Claude Sonnet. Alright, so let's go back to the course builder. Well, the profession, let it be programmer, the audience, here it is, and the description. Okay, here it is. So let's generate the title. Okay, so let it be this one. Let's generate the outline. Okay, so on the first run, I'm not sure it is what I want, especially this one, Introduction to Creativity in Business. I don't think it is necessary. Well, this one is good. What is vibe coding? So let's delete the first one and yeah, I think we can improve it, but I see the tools and resources here. So yeah, let's generate. Well, it promises to generate the course under 1 minute. I think that's great. All right, so it is ready. So let's go and edit that. Well, the image is pretty standard. Well, the previous one was not so good, but this one is actually nice. So we get the definitions and concepts. So I'm more interested in particular tools and resources. So the general information about why coding we can get straight from ChatGPT, but let's go to the tools and resources. Well, it says the Scratch, free visual programming language, Blocky, Node-RED, libraries, design tools. Well, I think it utilizes general AI knowledge and maybe not the latest one. So if we ask the Google about top vibe coding tools, so we get few mentions and Cursor and Windsurf, as I have mentioned, and we didn't get that here. Well, here we are getting general tools and design tools like Figma. However, it is not the latest tools from this month or past half a year. Yep, it is not exactly what I was expecting. All right, but anyway, you can add different elements, you can add videos, you can edit your courses. Of course, you'll be able to share that. And later you will be able to connect monetization and track the progress. So regarding the learn management, I think it is okay. All right, so let me summarize my thoughts. In general, mini course generator was not giving me the latest information, the exact tools on my topic specified. So I think if you would like to use this tool to build a course, you need to select a general topic. I don't know, how to build a perfect home garden, how to plant tomatoes at home. I don't know, how to make gluten-free dishes for the whole week. So you need to pick up topics of which AI is aware. So it should be general AI knowledge. I think in this case, mini course generator will work well. And considering that it provides visual builder for your courses, provides the payment integration, tracking all the participants, I think overall it is an interesting tool to keep in mind. So if you would like to get mini course generator, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.